Hello my dear students, welcome to the virtual classes presented by Jet Kids International School Pusat, in which we will be discussing lesson number 9, the living organisms and their surroundings. Already we have discussed in first two videos what the living organisms are, what are the special features, or we can say what are the characteristics features of living organisms which make them different from non-living things. Here we will be discussing in today's topic. Today's subtopic is habitat and adaptations. What are the habitat and what is a habitat and what are the adaptations we are going to discuss in today's video. First of all, let me tell you what is meant by adaptations. So in animal adaptations, we will discuss the definitions of adaptations. Okay, what is meant by adaptations? Throughout the lessons, I told you many times we need to adapt with the different surroundings, or all the living organisms need to adapt to the different surroundings, to the different environment. So what is meant by these adaptations? How we need to adapt with the different surroundings? Suppose we are living in a particular place and for some reason if we need to migrate from there, and whatever situation will be in the further place, how our body needs to adapt with the different environment than the previous one. That is all about in the adaptations we can say. But let us see what is the exact definitions of adaptations. How do animals adapt, or how do living beings adapt to the different surroundings we are going to discuss. So the definition is, first of all, the presence of specific features. We can define in this way: the presence of specific features or certain habits which enable we can write. Okay, the presence of specific features or certain habits which enable a plant or an animal to live in its surroundings. To plant or animal to live in its surroundings. The presence of specific features or certain habits which enable a living thing or which enable a plant or an animal to live in its particular surroundings is called adaptations. Special habit or a special feature. For example, fishes have scales. Okay. Camel have the wide spread leg which help a camel to walk through the sand or walk through the desert area. So this is the special feature. We, the animal, suppose cow and goat do not have such kind of leg. Why do camel only have? Because camel needs to survive in the desert. Adaptations. Fishes needs to live in the water. They have special scales. So these are the special features which enable the animal to live in the particular surroundings. That is called adaptations. The adaptation is all about. Okay, here fish have slippery scales on their bodies. The scales protect the fish. Why do the fishes have special scales in their bodies? The scales protect the fish and also help in the easy movements through water. With the help of these scales, fish can easily move in the water or through water. So this is the all about is called adaptations. Okay. Now, for example, I have given the two examples here, one of the camel and one of the fish. We people living on the land, we have limbs, we have legs to walk. Okay, means as per the surroundings, the animal or plant have the special feature or special habit, we can say, that is called adaptations. Okay, I think the adaptations term is very clear to you all. Do you know adaptation is what? Why do birds have wings? Because birds needs to fly in the air. Adaptation. We do not have wings. Birds have wings because birds are having the special feature, we can say. They are having the special feature or the special particular habit that make them different or that make them easier to adapt to their surroundings. That is called adaptations. That is called adaptations. Now we have to discuss what is habitat. For example, fishes have scales on their bodies which help the fish to move in the water. Okay, so let us what is mean by habitat. See, habitat word is very well known by you all. Okay, basically habitat is nothing but the home-like structure. Let us discuss habitat. Habitat is the dwelling place, we can say home. The place where animal used to live is called its habitat. The simple definition of habitat is the place where a particular animal lives is called its habitat. Okay, habitat is nothing but the different surroundings or areas have different organisms that live in. Okay, the deserts have camels. The desert have camels. The mountains have goats or yak. Different kinds of animals are live in a different kinds of habitat. For example, desert have camels and the polar regions or the mountains regions have goat or a yak. Why do these animals are only found there? Because they have that particular body features or they have the special habits that can help these animals to survive in the particular regions. That is called the adaptations which we have speak about. Now, what is mean by habitat? Let us find out. First, the homely place we can say. Okay, dwelling place is a habitat, a home. Our home is our habitat. Our home is our habitat. So, dwelling place, a home is called the habitat. Okay. Several kinds of plants and animals may share the same habitats. Okay. Habitat means the place where animals live. Or we can else define in a simple way. A place, the place where a particular animals live is called its habitat. We can say shelter. Okay, we can say shelter also. Shelter of the animal is called its habitat. Now, habitats are having several kinds of different kinds of types of habitats. Okay, in which we have biotic components, abiotic components that we are going to discuss in the later videos. Okay, today we need to only discuss the habitat of the animal and what is the correlation between habitat and the adaptations. See, camel used to live in desert area, so camels are having the special kinds of features. You might have heard that the camel used to drink water throughout once in a month or once in a 15 days. Why? Because camels are having that much of capacity. Camel needs to drink water and store water in its body, and then it utilizes that water for more 15 days. Because we all know in desert water is scarce. In desert area water is scarce, no water is found. So the camel is having that special feature in its body. It can store the water for a longer time and then it can utilize it for a several purpose or further purpose, we can say. Same, the plant which is found in the desert is cactus. Okay, cacti plant we can found in the desert. Cacti plant found in the desert. So, if you have observed the plants of cacti or cactus, it has spines. The cactus plants has spines or thorns, we can say, which help the cactus leaves to not to loss of water, or the plant needs water to survive, to grow. But here the plants of cactus have the special the thorns which store water and which can store water for a later purpose, and it keeps the plants even in the green in the desert. Okay, it stores the water, and these special kinds of leaves of cactus, they have designed in a very special way which can store the water for later use, or which can help the plant for the loss of water, or which can help the plant for the loss of water for a instant purpose, and they may store the water for the later purpose. That is the special features of the cactus plant which we can found in the desert areas. See, the plant like cactus is having some special features which can easily help the plants to store water, and in the same way the desert animal like camel is having the capacity to drink the water for in a bigger amount, which can it utilize it for the latter purpose as well. For example, adaptations, we can have the special goats we can found in the mountain region. Yak we can found in the mountain region. We all know mountain regions are very cold regions. So the yak is having the special hair which protect the yak's body from to maintain the heat or to maintain the temperature of that particular region. That is called the adaptations. Adaptations and habitats, both things are co-related with each other. Okay, their habitats is totally depend on the adaptations which they have into the different kinds of surroundings. So that is all about the adaptations and habitat is. Habitat is nothing but the place where animals live is called its habitat. We can say the shelter is a habitat. We can say the dwelling place, a home, all these things word you can use for the habitat. And for adaptations, the special features or the special habit which enables a plant or an animal to survive in the different regions or to make them comfortable in the particular surrounding, that is called the adaptations. In the forthcoming videos, we will be discussing the different kinds of habitats like terrestrial habitats, aquatic habitats, biotic, abiotic, all these kinds of things we will be discussing in the forthcoming videos. Okay, so till now that's it, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next video with the new topic, with the further topic of the lesson. Till then, kindly go through each and every video please note down all the important points, definitions and by heart. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day ahead.